Hello dear traders, my name is Ekaterinka and you're watching the daily trading plan for the 28th of March by RBNZ. At first, let's consider the economic calendar. The most significant event for today is the release of the quarterly final GDP growth for the United States. According to the forecast, the indicator will advance by 2.4%. Higher than expected figures will boost the United States dollar. Also, the USD traders need to pay attention to the speeches by the Federal Open Market Committee members. We will have the speech by the member quarrels at 13:15 MetaTrader time. Then we have speeches at 15:30 MetaTrader time and 16 MetaTrader time. And last but not least, pay attention to the speech by the member Bullard at 23:20 MetaTrader time. Their hawkish comments may bring positive momentum to the USD. Also today we will get another chance to trade the New Zealand dollar as the Reserve Bank of New Zealand Governor Adrian Orr will make his speech at 22 MetaTrader time. Yesterday, the dovish statement by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand pulled the kiwi significantly. If today the speech by the RBNZ Governor Adrian Orr supports the New Zealand dollar, if it's hawkish enough or not that dovish as yesterday, the kiwi will get positive momentum. Now let's consider the charts. At first, let's look at the daily chart of Euro USD. Yesterday the pair fell towards the support at the weekly pivot at 1:12.30. Today it has already tested this level at the beginning of trading session but managed to rebound towards the resistance at the weekly pivot at 1:13.39. The next resistance for the pair lies at 1:14.7, which is the weekly pivot resistance. If bears are strong enough today, they will break the support at 1:12.30 and target the next support at 1:11.63. If we look at indicators, we can see that RSI and MACD don't give us any significant signals, but parabolic SAR formed 3 dots above the charts. It shows the downward movement for the pair, and RDX demonstrates the strength of bears. Now let's switch to the 4-hour chart. We can see that the pair couldn't break the resistance at 1:12.57 and fell towards the support at 1:12.30, which is a weekly pivot level. If the release of the GDP growth is higher than the expectations, bears will break the support at 1:12.30 and focus on the next levels, which lie at 1:12.20 and 1:11.83. Otherwise, if the release disappoints the market and the euro is supported, bulls will take over the market and try to break the resistance at 1:12.57. The break of this level will help them to target the next key level at 1:12.84, and the next resistance for the pair is placed at 1:13.9. Now let's look at the daily chart of NZD USD. Here we can see that the pair fell significantly yesterday on the dovish statement by the Reserve Bank of New Zealand. It managed to fall below the weekly pivot level at 0.6829 and below the 100-day simple moving average and 50-day simple moving average. Today the pair has started to recover and has already tested the 0.6821 level and the 50-day simple moving average. However, if Adrian Orr, the governor of the Reserve Bank of New Zealand, fails to bring supportive comments to the New Zealand dollar, the pair will continue to fall towards the support at 0.6769, which is the weekly pivot support, and if bears are strong enough, we will see the further slide towards the next support at 0.6744. This level lies close to the 200 simple moving average. If we look at indicators, we can see that parabolic SAR shows it's too early to tell about the change of the direction for the pair, as well as ADX. Now let's look at the 4-hour chart. We can see that the pair has risen to the weekly pivot resistance at 0.6821 since the beginning of the trading session. The reason for it may lie in the comments by the US authorities on the positive path of the trade talks between the US and China, as China has agreed and suggested some measures to the intellectual right issue. However, bulls couldn't break this level and the pair slid towards the support at 0.6786. If today the governor of the Reserve Bank of New Zealand doesn't support the New Zealand dollar, we will see bears taking over the market, and if they reach and test the support at 0.6786, the next support for the pair will lie at 0.6769, which is a weekly pivot support. Otherwise, if his comments are not that dovish, the pair will rise above the weekly resistance at 0.6821, and we will focus on the next resistance at 0.6853. Thank you for your attention. Follow FBS for more analytics.